Hi, I'm Bronson Arroyo, pitcher for the Arizona Diamondbacks. I support United Sound, and so should you.
Don't like the color of your hair, don't like the clothes you wear. Think your glasses always keep a funny stare. If you laugh, your teacher's pet. Top of your hair's a mess. Lord, just keep getting all those A's on your test. And
I think it's important for special ed kids to have an opportunity to play music because it's music is so interactive, and also if someone's teaching you, you're having some interaction back and forth with that person as well, and it seems to, at least for me, it seems to move you in some way.
yeah. All right, Meg. That was one take. Tell them we're done.
Yeah, get done.
My experience with Megan today was great. You know, she was so happy to be here. I think she wanted to keep playing the music over and over and over again, which I would have been happy to do.